Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add text in mobile. Let's begin. Adding text in Capcut on mobile is a simple process, and you can easily customize it to fit the style of your video. Once you open the Capcut, you might want to click the create a new project to begin your work or start from scratch. But if you have already a project in place, just click on it to begin editing. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this specific file right here, and then you will be forwarded to the timeline. I'm going to click on the play to see that I wanted to create a cohesive video, and I wanted to add a custom text within that video. For you to be able to do that, it's very easy. All you have to do, as you would notice, that there is a text option at the bottom part corner of your screen. I want you to click on it, and what will happen is you can add a sticker, auto captions, text to audio, text template, auto lyrics, and draw. You would notice that we have already created a lot of tutorials about using stickers, auto captions, text to audios, text template in our Deep Labs YouTube channel that you might want to check. But for now, we're going to add a simple text, which is going to be clicking this small button. You would notice you can enter your text. For example, we're going to be choosing Deep Labs, representing our channel. And then what will happen is you can sort of like choose from the different font style. You see system, maybe this one right here, or maybe this one, or how about we try to use something like DM Sans. Let's try that. And then on the styles, if you click on it, you would notice that you have multiple options. Let's kind of put it here so you can better see it. You have multiple options to choose from the font style. All right. It's highly customizable depending on your preferences that best suits your brand and identity. For example, we're going to be choosing this. You can increase the size if you want. You can also turn on the opacity if you wanted, kind of like creating a watermark effect. All right. With this, and then click on check button. Try to scrub this so you can extend the text right here, so we can create a cohesive video with a text on it. Click on play from the very beginning to see if our cohesive video has added the Deep Labs text here in our video. All right, and once you're happy, just click the export button on top of the screen and forward it to your client for feedback, or save it as a different file format. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.